Hello, I'm Dr. Tatiana, a maxillofacial surgeon with nearly a decade of experience in aesthetic medicine. I've been trained by very well-known and famous doctors such as Patrick Trevidic, Yanni van Lochem, Mauricio De Maio, and many others. And I work as a trainer and speaker for Jelly Pro and Beauty Europe UK. Many people come after different stresses, hormonal fluctuations, weight fluctuations, different changes, and they don't feel their skin like it used to be anymore. In this case, I propose PDLLA treatments with Lenisna and Juvelook, which help to rebuild the collagen production, restore natural volume, and make your skin look youthful and healthy again. As we go through life and different stresses and hormonal changes, we can experience such problems like lack of elasticity, different fine lines, and lack of volume in our face, or even sometimes genetically we may not have some volume. While fillers can restore the volume but not for a long time, and just can hide some unnecessarily shadows on your face, Juvelook and Lenisna can help rebuild natural volume, work with firmness, work with elasticity and skin tone and texture, and bring back the use to your skin in a normal way, and also rebuild the volume in necessarily areas. At Aestha Clinic, we use both Juvelook and Lenisna, and we work effectively with microneedling, combining different techniques, and also we can combine it with Fotona 4D. So we've got two products, Lenisna and Juvelook. Lenisna is the product where we want to work with volume, elasticity and firmness, and to rebuild the volume in the face, neck, and all over the body areas. Juvelook is the product that made specifically for eye area. It's the only one PDLLA in the world which designed to rebuild collagen, work effectively with fine lines, dark circles, rebuild or restore the volume without injecting the filler. You don't need it anymore, you don't need swelling, and here Juvelook can help in natural way, can bring back the use in this area, and also it can work with pores, give amazing glass effect skin, narrowing the pores, working effectively with skin texture, skin tone. And for neck area, young ladies must have this product just to tie their neck skin and work with firmness. At the consultation, we look closer on the level of your skin tightening and pores and pigmentation and elasticity. We can help you to choose the proper product or combine them both even in one session. We can find which protocol to take together, or with Fotona or with microneedling or itself, depending on your personal situation and needs. We can consult you and help you to receive the best prominent and natural result. Such biostimulators as Juvelook and Lenisna, together with a combined protocol of microneedling or Fotona, can help to rebuild skin in the normal and natural way, to rebuild the collagen. If you need a special guidance, you also can receive the free assessment at the clinic. You always can ask for proper consultation. Thank you for listening. You always can ask for free assessment, and we can create the best plan for you to receive amazing results.